Here in the I button and in description box below, you will get complete playlist of numerical solution of ordinary differential equations. So welcome to video number 7, and in this video we are going to see modified Euler's method. Okay. In this particular video we will solve a very important problem on this topic, but before that we will see what is the exact procedure to solve such method. Okay. We have d upon dx and initial condition, that is at x equals to x naught, y equals to y naught, and by the help of Euler's method we need to find the initial approximation, that is y1 naught equals to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. We will find this, that is initial approximation, by the help of Euler's method formula. Now, after finding initial approximation, we will find first approximation by the help of modified Euler's method. Okay, and the formula is y1 n plus 1 equals to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 n. If you put n equals to 0, this will become y1 1. Okay, this will become y1 1 equals to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1. Yes, if you put n equal to 0, this will become 0, that is f of x1 comma y1 0, because we put n equals to 0, and this is what, this is the first approximation. In the same way, if you want to find second approximation, then we will use this formula. It means for finding initial approximation, we will take the help of Euler's method formula, and for finding uh, first approximation, second approximation, third approximation, we will take the help of modified Euler's method formula. That is second approximation y1 2. It means we will put n equals to 1 in this formula. You will get y1 2 equals to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 1, because we put n equals to how much? 1. And this is what? Yes. In this bracket we have 1. It means this is the first approximation. Here in the bracket we have 2. That is, this is the second approximation. In this way you can find third, fourth, fifth approximation. Yes. This procedure will be terminated depending upon the accuracy required. Okay. Yes. When two consecutive values of y1k and y1k plus 1 are equal, or you can say both are matching, then we can say that is y1 equals to y1k. Okay. When two consecutive values of y, that is y1k and y1k plus 1 are equal, then we can say y1 equals to y1k. Proceeding in the same way, you can calculate y2, y3, y4 and so on. Okay. Now we will solve one very good question. The question says, using modified Euler's method, find the value of y satisfying the equation dy upon dx equals to log of x plus y for x equals to 1.2 and x equals to 1.4. Correct to 4 decimal places. It means we need to find two values of y, first at x equals to 1 and the second is at x equals to 1.4. Correct to 4 decimal places. To take h equals to 0.2 and initial conditions given, that is at x equals to 1, y equals to 2. Okay. So let us start. Given that is dy upon dx equals to log of x plus y, and this is what, this is function x comma y. What else is given? That is, yes, here we have x naught, that is 1, and y naught equals to 2. H is how much? 0.2. So we can find the value of x1, that is x naught plus h. X naught is 1, h is 0.2. On adding both, you will get x1, that is 1.2. So yes, we will find y1 naught, that is initial approximation using Euler's method formula. Yes, that is y1 naught equals to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. And you will see that this is frequently coming. So we will find this separately, that is f of x naught comma y naught, and that is equals to log of 1 plus 2. One thing that you need to know, that while calculating log, you need to take natural log, because log means base 10 and natural log means base is e. So unless it is mentioned here that is 10, we will take always natural log. Okay, let's suppose base 10 is already written here, then we will take log whose base is 10. Otherwise we will take natural log whose base is e. So natural log of 1 plus 2, that is natural log of 3, will be how much? F of x naught comma y naught, that is equals to 1.09 86. Okay, this is very important. So y1 naught equals to y1 naught, that is initial approximation, equals to, on calculating this you will get the value is 2.2197. Okay, y naught values here, h is already given in the problem. We have already calculated this, that is 1.0986. On calculating this, you will get y1 is equals to how much? 2.2197. After this, we'll find first approximation by the help of modified Euler's method. Okay, and the formula is y11, y11. This 1 stands for first approximation. So this equals to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 naught. Y naught is 2 plus h, that is 0.2 upon 2. What is f of x naught comma y naught? We have already calculated, that is 1.0986. Simply write this here, plus f of x1. What is x1? That is 1.2. Okay, comma y10. We have already calculated, that is 2.2197. Okay, yes. So write this as it is, plus on calculating this we'll get 0.1. Write this as it is. Yes. What is function? That is log of x plus y. So log of x, that is 1.2, plus y, that is 2.2197. If you want to calculate this separately, you will get this value as 1.2295. Then simply add this with this, then multiply with this, then add with this. You will get y11 equals to 2.2328. Okay, now we'll go for second approximation. So we need to write here y12, because this 2 stands for second approximation. The formula is y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y11. This y naught value is how much? 2, plus what is s? That is 0.2 upon 2. What is this? We have already calculated this, that is 1.0986, plus f of what is x1, that is 1.2. What is y11? That is 2.2328. Okay, so this 2 is as it is, plus solve this, you will get 0.1. This is as it is, plus what is function? That is log of x plus y. So log of 1.2 plus 2.2328. If you want to calculate this, you will get this value as 1.2334. Now add this with this. Okay, then multiply 0.1 with the answer, then you will add 2 with the answer. You will get y12, that is equals to 2.2332. Now you can see the first approximation value and the second approximation value both are not matching. Okay, up to 4 decimal places they both are not matching. So we'll go for third approximation, that is y13 equals to y naught plus h upon 2 f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y12. So y naught, that is 2, plus what is h? That is 0.2 upon 2. This value is already we have calculated, that is 1.0986, plus f of what is x1, that is 1.2. What is y12? That is 2.2332. Okay, so 2 plus 0.1, on calculating this we'll get 0.1 into 1.0986, plus function is log of x plus y. X is 1.2 plus y, that is 2.2332. Okay, this separate, this value is how much? 1.2335. Add this with this, then multiply with this, then at last add with this 2. You will get y1 at third approximation, that is 2.2332. Now you can see, yes, y1 at second approximation and third approximation both are same up to 4 decimal places. Okay, so we can say, that is, since y1 at second approximation is equals to y1 at third approximation, and that is equals to 2.2332, so we can say that is the value of y1, that is y at x equals to 1.2 is how much? 2.2332. And this is the first answer, because we have to find y at two values of x, that is at 1.2, that is this much value, and we need to find y at x equals to 1.4 also. Now x1 equals to 1.2, y1 equals to 2.2332, h is same, that is 0.2. So we can find x2, that is x1 plus h. What is x1? That is 1.2. What is h? That is 0.2. On adding this, we will get x2 equals to 1.4. So y2 0. y2 0 means y2 at initial approximation, that is by using Euler's method formula, equals to y1 plus, here we are finding y2, so we will use 1, as subscript. Okay, so y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. Now this term will frequently come, that is f of x1 comma y1. What is function? That is log of x plus y. So we need to find this separately, that is log of x1 plus y1. What is x1? That is 1.2. What is y1? That is 2.2332. So you will get this value as 1.2335. So function of x1 comma y1 equals to 1.2335. So take this value as it is. You will get y20 equals to how much? 2.4799. Okay. Now after finding initial approximation by the help of Euler's method formula, we will take the help of modified Euler's formula to find the first approximation, that is y2 1, and that equals to y1 plus h upon 2 f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y2 0. So y1 that is 2.2332 plus what is h, that is 0.2 upon 2. What is this? That is 1.2335. Write this as it is, plus f of what is x2, that is 1.4. Okay, 1.4. And what is y20? That is 2.4799. Now 2.2332 is as it is, plus solve this, will get 0.1. This is as it is, plus what is function? That is log of x plus y. What is x? That is 1.4. What is y? That is 2.4799. Yes, on calculating you will get y2 at first approximation, that is 2.4921. Now after this we'll come to the second approximation. So y22, and that is equals to y1 plus h upon 2 into f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y2 1. Okay, so y1 value is how much? 2.2332 plus h, that is 0.2 upon 2. What is f of x1 comma y1? That is 1.2335. We have already solved this, plus f of x2 comma y2 1. What is x2? That is 1.4. What is y2 1? That is how much? 2.4921. Okay, simply write this here. 2.2332 plus this will be 0.1 into this is as it is. What is function? That is log of x plus y. So plus log of 1.4 plus 2.4921. Okay, on solving this you will get y22, that is y2 at second approximation, that is 2.4924. Now y2 at first approximation and y2 at second approximation, the values are not equal. Okay, so we'll go for the third approximation, y2 3, that is equals to y1 plus h upon 2 f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y2 2. What is y1? That is 2.2332 plus h upon 2, that is 0.2 upon 2. Yes, this value is how much? 1.2335 plus f of x2 is how much? 1.4, and y22, that is how much? 2.4924. Okay, so 2.2332 plus this will be 0.1 into 1.2335 plus what is function? That is log of x plus y. So log of 1.4 plus 2.4924. On calculating this you will get y2 at third approximation, that is 2.4924. Now if you see y2 at second approximation and y2 at third approximation, the values are same. Okay, so we can say since y2 at second approximation is equals to y2 at third approximation, that is equals to 2.4924. So we can say hence y2, that is y at x equals to 1.4 is equals to how much? 2.4924. Okay, and this is the final answer. Okay, thank you so much.